Tired of smiling when my heart feels heavy. Tired of pretending I'm okay when I'm really not. There were moments I almost walked away. Moments I almost gave up. Moments I said, God, I can't do this anymore. But somehow, you kept me. Even when I didn't understand. Even when I felt alone. Even when I questioned everything. You didn't let me fall. And that means something. That means you still have a plan for my life. Father, your word says, give thanks to the Lord, for He is good. His mercy endures forever.